This grill cart from LotFun can be used as a mobile bar, kitchen island, work shelf, or even a place to put your barbecue. I love that it has all the different shelves and the stainless steel top. I was just gifted this outdoor grill cart from LotFun, so let's put it together. Let's go. It comes well packaged. And once you start taking it apart, you will see that each piece is very clearly labeled, and they are all coated metal. So this is designed to last outdoors beautifully. On one side, it will have these large wheels, and on the other side, it will have these very durable casters that have locks to keep them in place. Now, it comes with all the tools you need, but if you have it, I definitely recommend using a power drill. While everything was clearly labeled, I will say that putting it together was not the most straightforward, but once I did, it is super sturdy. It's really easy to roll around. Those bottom casters lock beautifully. The trash bin I probably won't use, but I like that I have that option when I need it. Everything closed cleanly. You have so much storage with this, including this paper towel holder. You have an extra shelf to the countertop. I love the stainless steel countertop, and the handle at the end is really nice to hang things on. And everything moves very cleanly on it. I even love that it has a bottle opener. It really meets all the needs. And finally, it does have these hooks that you can hang on that extendable shelf to hang whatever you want. And in the end, I am going to use this for my barbecue, as I always wanted a surface next to my barbecue to put food as a workspace, and this is going to serve me so well. I love it, and I highly recommend this grill cart for whatever you use it for.